Maybe it's right there. Is it?
Not too bad. That's what fucking Taco Bell does to you.
Yeah, I don't know who the fuck tries to get the Taco Bell.
Not too bad. Let's get a wide angle.
No spaces.
No spaces.
14 lines.
14 wise. God. How the fuck?
Bitch, you got some $8,000 rims that don't spin.
You got dicks in your tire. Shut the fuck up.
Let me see. Let me see. No, I like them.
It looks good.
First set of offsets. Not too bad.
You want to tell the people how much money you got in them?
$1,100 in this. Hey, that comes from 35s and 20s to 6s and 7s, flawless, to this. Pretty fair to me. What you think? I mean, I don't know who else got $1,100 in a $5,000 setup. You sure don't.
I got $2,800 in a $8,000 setup.
See, I heard this fucking kind of noise in. Yeah, that's fucking crazy, brother. I think you fucking might have forgot to fuck me.
Think you forgot to tighten these, brother. Did it fuck up the rim?
Yeah. Cause eating that fucking look at that. You. Oh, might have wore all that shit out, bro.
That's not good. I gotta talk about it. They tight now.
I see something.
Oh, hey, buddy. Hey, bro, don't hit the impact. I always put a breaker bar on my shit.
Yeah, I fucked up. I was supposed to when I got home, just didn't feel like it. Show my ass.
Not again, Lance.
It's the G13. Yeah,
Golly. Oh. Dude. Nice.
Spare tires like on my ass, see that?
Another one bites the dust.
This chair, he gives me the bad look.
Golly, dude. You like licking people. That sucks, bro. Nice. Got some more Sabine prep. Bike wasn't getting no spark, but I got a new spark plug and a new CDI box that I changed right before mud bugs. So I'm thinking it's the coil, so I got a new coil. I'm gonna change the coil right quick, see if I get spark. If I get spark, then I'm just put it all back together. If I'm not getting spark, I'm just gonna throw it in the fucking bayou. But until then, we'll see. Dumbass fucking CV actually got some fucking play in it from the boot busted. I got grease all over my shit. Be alright. My shocks are rusted the fuck. I gotta fix that. I ain't got no powder coat. Yeah, my brakes are probably going bad. Oh, not really. Dang.
How fucked up is fucked up.
And my 300 don't start.
Everything's fucked up.
Sabine. I just changed that side. This one, the boots weren't really busted. I mean, they're cracking right there, so might as well change them both. Checking my spaces and everything while I'm at it. Cotter pin, rusted shocks, nuts tight, everything's good. I'd rather change them right before I make like a 3-hour trip. I mean, they would be perfectly fine, to be honest, but I'd rather just change them right before a 3-hour trip, just in case, torque them down and everything. So change the CVs. The shocks got to settle a little bit, but angles ain't too terrible. I didn't fuck with my keys or nothing, but Got them all in, torqued down. This one over here, one of these fuckers. That's the fucking joints doing that, so that thing was definitely shot. So good thing I changed them. I mean, it don't really matter, but torqued them all down. Got them taken care of. So. I hope he breaks it. Give us some gas. Good job, Laney. Back up. Hey, now stop. Now just like hit it. Like,
Hit it right.
You're not gonna break it. You're not gonna break it. Hit it in low. Don't stop.
No, alright, put the rams. We're back.
No, let me show you. Hey, if I break it, I'll buy it. I swear to God.
Let me show you. Fuck no, I gotta make it. No,
Let me show you.
I'm pulling the ranch off. I'm gonna pull the rams off.
Just go. Why you stop?
I hope so.
No.
Son, you're not supposed to stop. What the fuck did I eat? Oh, man, yo, clown. Yo, clown.
Clowning.
Oh, hey, let's cut the ramp off.
You do it.
Son, you good, bro.
Fuck it up.
Don't fucking run me over, man.
Go to the left. Go all the way. One leaf spring out. Getting this plastic off. Then gotta drop the gas tank to get this leaf spring bolt out. Got one leaf spring, two leaf spring, bumper plastic for the step, spin the line. Had to drop the tank, but he told me I could leave it right there, so it wasn't too bad. He had no motor and shit, so that's all I needed there. That's all I wanted. I really don't need anything, so appreciate it to him.
Started at 300.
Wow. I had the wires fucked up. Preach. I had to start a wire. This wire running to the battery. I'm a retard.
Wait, you see that? Ball.
No, son.
Look the smoke. Look the smoke. Look.
Jonah, how many hours this thing got?
Alright, I guess we're not taking it to Sabine.
Dude, bro, it's been off. Why is it smoking?
I'm not taking it to
Check the air
Sabine.
filter lately?
No.
I'll check it. That might be why it's smoking.
You're not fucking with me, asshole. No, for
No.
real. Hey, I bet that thing's fucking disgusting. Oh yeah, watch this.
It ain't that bad.
No, watch this. Watch this.
It's upside down.
You ready?
Oh yeah.
Put the camera on me. Yeah, they just changed it, Jonah? Yeah! Yeah, they just changed
Damn,
it,
they
brother.
fucked you, Jonah.
Can't run it like that, huh?
You can just clean it out. It's not gonna, I mean, it's probably been like that.
Hey,
That's
you
where
want-
all the smoke
hey,
came from.
You wanna hook up the or put the fucking my leaf blower to it?
Smoke is coming.
Nah, I would just
I don't
spray it
know.
off with water. Let it sit overnight.
Spray it off with water, put it back on the bike.
Well, I wouldn't spray it off with water. I wouldn't get it wet. It might not dry. It'd be good like that.
I did this to mine earlier. It wasn't even close to that fucking dirty.
But dude, that bitch.
You gotta check
I
that
saw-
fucking
I saw.
oil. Because if they said they just changed all that shit and this thing was that fucking dirty, bro.
I won't be able to get off.
Yeah, you would. Tomorrow or Friday.
Bro, that shit's hot as fuck and you only ran for like 10 seconds, bro.
You serious?
Like, I mean, it's warmer than it should be.
Hey, put the filter back.
What are you doing?
Oh, yeah, but I mean, I would
What are you doing? Unplug it. It's not the stand.
Put the filter back.
Watch it. Watch it, Drew. Oh.
That's
I didn't know. I don't even know.
you started all in the front?
Hmm?
By the diff?
Bro, that bitch is still smoking.
Imagine don't come back on. Hey, start it to see. That air.
Hold up. Don't start it. Don't start it until you put the
Wait till we get all
filter.
this shit back on.
I can't do it with one hand. I can't do it with one
You can
hand.
only put them on way. What the fuck? Fuck!
Oh, there you go, right there.
It's hard finding the whole system. Alright, start it. You gotta put your foot on the brake, dude.
Put the cover back.
You know, but you're standing outside the bike.
What you did?
the battery? I just saw you.
The battery's under the seat.
No, the battery. Oh yeah.
What you did?
Wait, did you press the... Hey, did you press the button to reset the filter?
That bitch is still fucking smoking.
What you did? How you got mud on your shirt? You was cleaning it.
I don't know.
On today's episode of How Fucked Up Is Fucked Up.
It really does.
Turn your lights off. Make
That's
sure,
why it ain't
Make
starting.
sure it's in
Let it
park.
sit.
Make sure it's in park.
Hey, you got burn the battery. Stop
Let it
doing
sit,
that.
Let it sit. Let it cool off. It was smoking real bad.
Hey, is there a temp gauge on these things? In the digital thing?
Yep. There's a light that you should be able to put the temp on.
No, they got the temp and everything.
Check your
When it
temp.
says E.
I have no fucking code. Oh.
Damn. You got power steering and engine light? Oh yeah, that's it right there. That's it right there. You just
Oh,
passed it.
fuck me.
Check engine light, Jonah.
RPMs?
Look,
E.
that's it right there.
0 degrees. Nice. Oh, 168. That's kind of hot, huh? Hey, it's 168. What's she supposed to run at?
that's good. Giggity.
Find this fucking knob.
You checked it all?
This is the thing, huh?
Yeah, but the stick's inside. Looks like shit to me.
The stick's usually right here. I don't know where it's at.
Just right, hey, look right here between the seats. Pull that little plastic
yeah, that little
off.
plastic thing.
The stick's right there.
Hey,
What's
Keegan,
it?
you too. I'm bringing some oil. I have some, but check you should. Mine burns some.
Mine don't burn none, but I say that. Blows up on me.
Knock on some wood, dick.
Should I change my oil before we go? Are you fucking with me? It's actually like.
Man, you just turned the fucking key. What happened? You check engine lights on.
I don't know.
What? Is that a frog?
Turn your light.
Giggity.
Just clean the motherfucker.
What it look like, Drew?
Yes.
I need to check mine.
So, alright, let's try the.
Hold up. Yeah. Hey, no, just open all the fucking holes for the oil and just let it go. It's because we had to check the oil. It's because we had to check the oil. That's why I didn't start.
I don't know nothing about it, so.
No, you know nothing about everything.
You could burn the key switch if you pull the key out that many times.
Yo, I couldn't even keep a straight face for that one, bro.
What actually? What actually happened though?
Oh, we unplugged the switch.
We unplugged something.
Unplugged
The computer thing.
Oh.
And we broke the plug.
Do I need to change all for Sabine though? No.
Other way, dumbass!
No, it looks good.
No!
Everybody said the same time right there, so that would be easy to cut out.
Giggity.
So wait.
Jonah, you washed this thing, huh?
Yeah. So wait, what?
You should have dried it because it's black. That's probably why it was
Oh,
smoking.
you forgot to pull your springs off the powder coating.
You forgot to tighten that load.
No, okay. So
You
you
ain't
got
even got
it.
lug nuts right there.
Huh?
Look your hub.
Do I need to change the oil before we go or no?
You can do whatever you want, but when it blows up, you know, you'll come back to this time.
Hey, where's your shield? You're not putting it on? Let's spray paint it.
What the fuck with my soundbar?
Alright.
know what you needed to? Yeah.
God! LED pod lights on your face.
Why are you holding the phone like that, bro? Damn, Gordon.
He's so white when you turn it flash.
Too late.
Alright, I need it for a flashlight. Drew is my master mechanic. He realized that my wiring was fucked because of me. Also realized how to fix Gage's fucking you know what rig. I might save these, bro. I can sell those, bro.
Look at this shit screwed up again.
Now you gotta grind that up too.
Grind you out of it.
Oh yeah. Oh, Drew, hold up. We gotta stop. We worked on Jonah's bike already. We can't work on mine too.
Oh yeah, gotta work on his 1000. Picked up a 1000 S today.
Hey,
I'm gonna change it.
you should have seen that.
I don't pick up 900s. I pick up 1000.
No, you don't pick up 1000 S either. You pick up a 1000.
No, you didn't even pick it up. I picked it up. I should have posted that.
What the fuck? Oh, so this is just ran separate.
Got only burned. It didn't even fill me up.
Don't worry about that.
You know those little jet ski pumps they call it with the roller out gas tanks with the portable
I don't know. You speak about some dumbass shit.
A
dude.
jet ski pump?
no, not a jet ski fuel pump. It's like they put them on fucking boats.
A Bills pump?